His biographies of Robert Moses and President Johnson have shown how individuals accumulate and exercise power in local and national settings.
I think that's likely to accumulate more falls in house prices.
Far, as long as we make specific progress and accumulate them over time. As long as we maintain confidence and determination, as long as we have wisdom and patience, I'm confident that we will succeed in achieving this historical mission.
我讲得太长了，谢谢。
I'm sorry for going too long. Thank you.
And I should like to accumulate such efforts.
Through the global economy and then siphon funds to those who teach children to tear it down.